Yes, anyhow.
Tibia Satam Nancy. Ebiso Nancy. Ebia, I am in Fanya. But he said, you see. I think about the Senate, a man swim, you know. Young Musa near Franco Bowie. You wear a tournament here, June, your baby July.
Yeah.
Nothing, she be changes be any change. No, men not swim, you know. When you say, please, you be more affiliations here and there, more loyalties be here and there. Equipment officer, oh yeah, you may know.
Ishmael, watch out,
watch out, Hopa. Me, Ojana, me who nipa by me who the crowd.
She no crowd him so.
Me who the nipa by crowd, me name will be a opinion and I'm to say no. I'm just saying, what to say, and then I'm from Mumu Biba. Because the past 2 weeks, they be over to now. Woman, no, I but I'm following him. No, I can't, sir, and terms of no inside info. So, let me tell you. And you know, and come on, Musa, manages our new Franco. Also, management of issues, conflict issues, you know. Yeah, Nyadi. Okay, say your call last World Cup. There were issues, Yentima managing,
yeah,
a creative problems, my. When the minimum said, be a move who said, Yannis is a brand near the qua, a mum the back of high into the but once and she won't be unby, and Yentimia Sumum almost say, a back of high engineers, and they can't go Crumusa near. Because we have BBC now one Chima answer, no more job vacancy, vacuum. Would be hard to me feel a vacuum, no. All kinds of speculation. Oh, yes, you say, and the way you wake up a girl who, and you know, yes, and some be need your baby. And you also, we have BBC, also to me didn't you move. So, oh, say this, deny official. So, they have been to me for being question, I'm an inco team no concentration.
Okay.
So, let me say, I'm disappointed. Timing, no. Time minimum, I'm disappointed.
You move on.
And you know, and I'm on then Kotoko. It's just secret. The interview be a more born pay or come about young bumpire. And now about the way or more hard tackle. Share the Arab world. Omo bumpire 5 times a day. Omunji be in football. Arab world. Omo bumpire 5 times a day. Omunji she football. Well, Qatar won recently Asian Championship.
Asian, okay.
But young pie no more DJ.
But every year come
Israel and come Israel Wailing Wall. More Wailing Wall. Wall of them. Could you now fit on a part one? A
bumpire
every day. I won't just share football. China that I will say a bumpire na colony. Swatch I say. Game no and your local. I dream say young Kwani a ball. Your ball will be all over the world. I am pie no Mudiana. But where's the evidence? You need evidence there. I say Liverpool ko share a friend said buying for you. And pie no Mudiana. So let me tell you. And yeah, especially in the media for no, media for no, Castle Jambon Pie Mama, and look around a Yaka Secra. So yeah, also you better no, you move back as a Yambon Pie team no. Yentikro wana yakoye ye din kunim ye diko ye bonyum no fitia no pass the whole day as you share there be under 20 satellites then I had more time or that crack can be nyina any Brazil final Australia yeah it's me as so sanya man so ono your coach me too for your coach send your coach ti high said that the Chinebi metise coach Opole coach na we na or can bad say okobo match bi na okase yem bomb pie match na me bufu no pa
na say me ko Zambia na me ne Edmond Aka edi nkomo sisi a briefly na fe aba edi ya Accra Red Makumasi Asante Koroko edi morning.
Good morning.
Na Zambia te say an pay
ka ge na wako
ya de nyame ase pa
we call ama ma Philippines pa
oh za kwa mo Philippines okay edi boy nkomo wa Zambia ne preparation so far de korokwa afamu kopim ochina ne na de chia match be baso no
I'm so close you know yeah ba e de haboko so de ye ji haboko Ghana no also sana amu so ye ba e amu che no mo de me get surprised about them because before I remember Ghana na my management team say almost a very professional side and found say mobile or first leg and on double who to second leg for minimum from 2014 until Nombisha Airport no and the Amodia Firm now. Now you're saying no I first 20 session. Amodia call former grounds, but you are not more training. I'm saying bomb home office. I want to go training. You know, okay, but actually, an hour's time, I'll do Zambia into the new more hotels here. We have a coach on
Okay, but here training sessions, no, any boys na hoke can, any weather na nkasa in particular. Enyan sunsan so bia e boys so.
Oh, there's so far no. Weather everyone to take na. You buy no area and aba nso nyanto. Na say awu so chu ni na to say Ghana no. The weather condition there. The year no more different from Ghana.
Very well. But you town of Zambia and Dola Hona atmosphere to say who said the fans of Zesco for GG game no so say Bibi Ba also Mukoko support you mutimina.
Of course, India but much I friend much to say you we be having a meeting in the and you know you home you free airport about hotel and you go training no you know you home I don't want to get on I do not move here it will show signs of beauty and you know and the normal you hear me say the coach on our arrival airport you know okay the boys in say this is other Bobiano, on the Bobo and Horde. Again, I have a Vazomo. And to know what, if you say when you're ready for the match, come in them and son of Bernard. Once I have to sit down there, we are in for business.
Very well.
And to know our airport, and son I am there, over starting the training section, also repeat here. Say, if you think you are here because of you are Pedem or Binya, it means that you are not fit to play in the team. I don't know one bar or better play Mukabeji Pedium. And to what when you're ready for can't to see Antana a brainer do. And to the idea how they say the Junior or ever have. Idea very impressed. Management members is now on 5 years. Of course, you know about with one agenda.
Very well, but some no come players no mood ni response no so not saying.
Obiase the almost the woman in the for saying some better play na o ma gisa can't compete no. But Master, don't forget Ejuma boys here you know. We never you play because you intia Obiase apart from say you to kwaya on being on the Canadian Katanga. I had the more a friend of no. Okay. Until you qualify, no, the package, you know, you're up to the last group match. Into no more money to that. Into no coach, you have to edit out 2 months, you know. Our response, no, very positive. You know, respond with 1 day. As a movie of catching, say, Gimana Sati, no more bomb with some, the dunya here. I just don't think you know. I've been calling on and again say, you know, see the cool anymore. I see it to me on Sunday.
Fantastic. Now, minimum Zambia, Marty say Georgia could see free say or Beba Zambia be support Koroko. And I say, who are around.
Well, maybe do what to say media, but it is not about the maintaining that.
Okay. But news about say,
many apartments will be before. Almost all from you and the 24 of the set of honestly bizarre and say, what because you're free to do Zambia. Okay, my mate no, will tell you what in case you move your to the town, that won't be your
Okay. Edi ya we say more all the best na fe nkwadan so munka se Ghana for ta o machipa enti wo menyo mo but meja kwa na maybe say Maxwell eye kunadu ya sacking from the Black Stars technical team. Sad news no what be?
baby and here. Babe.
Eba enra nwumre na sa ye news no eba but the wiamu na mpenfo frɛ mo ebo mama ne one equipment officer Ishmael enti no ni news a wo ye enkan sisi e dia na be kan fa ho
well there was Zambia my young had you ba na on arrival you be me ba yes so will be guy now will be coming here
mate edmanaga araba ye bedo ase ye bedo ase no paper okay edmanaga akra ma kumase asante koroko na atese wode nkomo nyina ba bebacho asejam heba wasebra wode policy bi abeto form eno eye enhyehyɛ ya ebetimi aboa wapomdi amana konkan pa ebia woni wabusuafo nyina no ebetimi aboa mo pa 100 Ghana cedi pe wasebetu ato horom bosumi nsia da obehia ya de bia say stroke infertility na fe eye prostate disorder ni nyina no ba wombetimi ahwe kama omonyu sika bia anti yare bia obehia bia no asejamfo ebetimi ama onuro na etimi aboa 0541 253 560 0541253560 na asejamfo ajo so from sisia na no mo eni komo e na wo si na meje time enti
no enye so coach ni be kasa ye mompa e man na ye nkoje sa kasa no it's about time we discourage the media for we have to discourage the coaches from talking like that. We a coach, tell us your expertise, let us know so we game no. So let me tell you, and as you are prepared very well, we are ready to deliver the victory for Ghanaians Sunday. Ukona you are saying I know Chelsea one prepare.
Yeah.
But just a mumbon pie, let's say Uncle ya jampai na among from money intina. Uncle ya na said no. Okay. We are expert. Near Matiti Swa, I have a crowd says still I say young Crawford, yes, I drink. Start like a ball titino. Yeah, say reforms changing your queen no. Penisa. A percent time be a quiet fast winning to say you could try home. You could you this room near when you are near Sanso to winning bonus. Doesn't make any sense. And 1% goes here. Sir, previous administration, no wumpa. Even no somebody a presidency of the FA. San Adjunu Omuchim. Omukuso, yes, sir. Now, better no beer or you're neutral. I am sympathetic towards your cause.
What can he saying?
Oh, so much Yakotoko boy.
Yeah.
Uncle Fu P and a room, or so call room near USA. Some way na a double ball, no that no. And yes, scientific, no more common in Debiano. And yes, at time be a dish of room and the scale romance. Time be the same thing, same attitude. And my last time Uncle World Cup, yes, I'm first scale room in chair. Just a dirty side of football and one per scientific side, no. So, we prepare very well and better coaches, need better players. Then you better preparation here when you're Franco in the Penita. I did that you welcome Washam. But I say, coach, I did Opeli Watin, Coach Bry, issues in a good anymore. Oh, man, do has hollow. 1 second. Has order me, I say, I'm make you strike pa under Mark Noonan. Or you pay a for pa. Yeah. I'm make you strike pa while the arrangement or more project, no more vision near the more for more basosa. And you wait there. In fact, really surprising, very surprising, very surprising. A setback for us. I hope so. Nintia de Bia about to meet Nano, almost a course, no, Nasa course chrono.
Domitiano.
Yes, Nintia can step microfinance for.
Sancha, maybe a ministry now. Chiana, me say, Questa for
Madame or can step microfinance. I don't want to be saving.
Okay, okay, yes,
can open baby papa.
No, problem. Yes,
I say, what's watching? I check can step microfinance. I want to be saving.
What did Baba Kano? Also on the bank, I noticed. And
I got to be a job.
Go to your
Papa Maestro. And then my wife, I had the other dinner way out. Oh, yes. And I'm sorry, make it came beach. Oh, came beach. Papa. So, beer. home na mama so akọ makọ Zambia ahomachi
oh sir
yes some this week na me dan tem na me nyane 12 na ma tenase meditate na ma da trying to get the match in ama ma dan tem sorry 12 something me na ya kusi 3 me da ya 5:26
no nyane
na me yere nyane me say me hwe me phone so say time aboss no nyane ngosi ese me ba I was in Zambia. Tell you have to come back. Next episode was same BBA. And then Friday, then I make a change with
oh, too bad.
I see me, Papa. I was in Zambia. No. I'm going. I'm quiet. You know what? We was a photocopy. See free bus. More.
Wow.
Mutre move me. More man, chami.
Oh, sir.
Now they saw me.
But then you match day.
Na ose
na nye match day.
Anya match day senka elidia dia de na ba.
Aba okay.
Anare. If konya na me enehwe me wi.
But the uncle for be one man say or da no so da na unyane no. No what dey no da bie ma obesa to da so.
Me dey enti say. Me timi na. Me nam na me na. Enti no I just hope say kotoko be bompai. Say bibia be fa.
Okay.
Yes. Enti no na mudu no mode na say that me home na mudu no say that I say
and say that
o my boring bi o mo family mu a o mo ko
man chia oni dey na say nema anya fan am no
oh they be say your boy
okay
ba o mo twemu nti but your mom pa esiki and getting the players and everything organized we say bi mo ka say ana this time the 30s win ya ehia pa Palmer be catch you say even with his preparations Obayama who coach needs to get your tactics right.
Okay.
And the opponent ball shot to free center. Now one closing it down and say you go. Yes, intino and I corner about say your operations inti may mark your opponent. Baby, as a mark intino players no so you mo am dey say CC ke catch me say we intina oba dey amendwe. Men ye wadren say yes. Intino me ade ba kwa na me dwemi nim say Daniel Nieje akobia. Daniel Nieje is a very good goal scorer. Nieje, because Kotoko ni first player share me first goal. Or a good goal scorer pa. Say we ni one man Nieje wo experience.
Okay.
Say Yakuba ni wa sa Safiu no me minimum under 20. Me pram no. Joseph Africa ke Kotoko.
Yeah, Safiu yeah.
Obetimi about 9. No man Nieje engineer niti as number 10. Nieje a very good goal scorer.
Said na no CK kan. Was it the entity of Penny Nieje say so midfielder or accuracy when it comes to passing, but on time to me bought unexpected shorter and also to me a go.
Oh, Nieje goal scorer. On for him to 10 number 8 be at me bought 10. Intina KP bought into me bought 10 or blasters. Intina we pateti me bought 10. Yeah. On for Nieje into 10. No dina Safiu no a very good or what? Yeah. About block to Mika. Nieje a very good goal scorer. Oh, all Mazembe say no goals. No goals, yeah. On for him 2 on now nam 18 anymore. Oba midfielder and Oba Breso Oba tackle ni but even in loss of possession, he would drop to come and support the central midfielder number 8. No, Mamenya orthodox 8. No, we anga say coach Ipano who use number 8. Inti no, Oma Bua orthodox 8. No, Kwame Bonsu Conte. No more chance ba Nieje beshe. Nieje onya 2 chances obeshe 1. That is how I know Nieje. Inti no, Nkamede offer no coach na hona. Kwesi appear discovered Partey at that position. Yeah. Obi him say Partey orthodox 8. But Kwesi appear the number 10 no. Also goes. Yeah. So put Nieje there Steven Gerrard. Time a Liverpool J League with Rafa Benitez. Manchester beat here with head to head as a goal no. Gerrard was number 10. And so you name him say Gerrard go 8. But no above Torres as a striker back could be with Liverpool. So number 8 there on go sha Fano to 10 obesha ma. Very well. Nieje can score for Kotoko.
Very well. Because Edmond Akasu team me sure say
oh yes, so yeah na obi Kotoko ni otie wa ha. Omo send ma siki. Say Yakuba free na we film no. Ya but say Nieje gina 10 wa equally dangerous to say the Yakuba ball. Because Nieje ye passer, onim shutu, onim ball, place ball, e shape mu, onim bibia ye, oba control midfield no so ama. Wabo TP Mazembe onim da area ampoche.
Yeah.
So, but and then I share map of Zambia na me hu bibi. Say na me hu say Indola Krono, any Kitui, any Okasa ati Mufulira wo. Say na Mufulira no see okura wo the same area, not say Zambia no that area na football is free. They say I measure map so na me na me say and Zesco ni we mu no ball no mo ball na nya kwa. Utimi say a football area. It is why be a government no kwatimi ko see stadium see. It is why they be a me hu de ntia Ghana successive governments intimi common stadium wo Bronga Half region. Bronga Half region a place ni na time free. Come now free Bronga Half. Even past players a ball na Oma no mo short na na dey betiti na sa enuanom no mo ball short we free omudi. Oh, enuanom ya no mo ball short canetiti yo mo Blasters. O me no mo free Bronga Half. Obi de baba.
Oh, Dana Usuni question.
Any one of free. Dana Usuni question. I want to free Dojata. Opoku Sampeni wa na. Okwesi apia. Me no get enti mean stadium wo Bronga Half. I just obi nche me sa de ni me ase. Say government say twam fiti Kwame Nkrumah enti mean stadium wo Bronga Half. Eso na players ni na Afri.
Big question. Big question. But coach, before we move on, the last game against Al Hilal no Baymuno. None of performance. So the ball number 8. And as that time that game not stretch. Who said the game no TV so I'm explaining my TV say game no aye open stretch end to end. And said you be enim na ho odin sese. And you close game into by all miss no so dey hu niye. So the game not stretch, but if you put obi or experienced player to say be a Stevie Odro obo number 8 na onyini afa no kote obebo ama say obi bo 8 na onyini aye de no kote so na brofo ye no wo de no kogina wa afa obebo bo no. So the surprising thing is that now may go through the list of a contingent of the call. I'm near J Crano one for me part of it and maybe a hard team. Yes. But me and Cameron never call. Okay. And I'm coming results free no. It's coach no and you be a obenya. It be a pressure na where now buy hell la wanyade. Mu yin free. Oh, meso me be we say what do. Yeah, na sometimes me drink players. Wouldn't say footballer be any we say awasan. So one go share coach papa. Obey you say on a best coach bi o ha o say mo gina no obusa mo we lefty and they could not 3 wa say wa brabo. E bia onye number 3. Imagine say message here coach bi o say we lefty ko bot 3 and get let's back anka e be say number 6 bi o ha o even o central defender they say TV3 number lefty bi o ha o central lefty bi o ha o number 6
Luis Ajimana Nshia Medendorfer nko be dey so striker
footballers abrabo bebre say because when share coach e be hu say bebi a wedu na ha na eso kokko gina so we dey na
Matias say
enti me ya say
move on
Abani say but still we wish them good luck.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Papa Masro on say a friend papa bi pusher. Pusher meaning say oba e hunu da. Me hunu da. But say we share pusher. Pusher a young man or a philanthropist. Makaba be see Blasters or a philanthropist. Ono no. O media for bebre. O show mo keke wo hia hwe wo mo.
Yeah.
So he's a good Samaritan.
Okay.
Sana pusher. Yes.
Just what time how baby na.
Oh, ejuma what time about Accra.
Okay.
Yes. Na pusher yi. O show media for bebre o hia hwe wo mo. But often say onipa de media ne impenifo any Ghana for who do social contract.
Yeah.
Inti was so boa no mutimi ye omadwuma yie no mutimi boa
society no.
Society. Oh yes no mutimi ko gina dibre bi a ese wo se woni media ne nkofo social contract. Yemi na what mas.
Metias ye pa.
Inti ko pio no ma ese wutimi ye onwuma yie. Wanye onwuma yie a Ghana ne wo no. Se bibi ye edi chichim. Unya boafo.
Yeah.
So ya de na kwakwa.
Sa for no so ma isika dua ma media for no.
Oh yes.
Nti bibia ni anu akotwere ne kaka.
Akotwere ne kaka. Ano musu say social contract. Nti mama ko Blasters asem no so. Na case bibi won say Yesu na nya nsem na o kan direct. Na Blasters maso akuredu.
Yeah.
Me dwedwem. Issue no is simple. Ya pese local coaches bibiri ko Blasters. E da na minimum shosho ne minim se Babangida se Jude ginani wo ebusa se under 20 kura wane esen kokko coach under 20 wonim se egina wo na wa yenya coach bia
but you am coach bia din
yes
coach se nyina na convert e bi kura se mo ye ba ye business
yes enso mo shosho asemo ka kire Jude se tete no wo sebi o Sam Ade Evertado pool of coaches because they had the privilege to be with the Blasters.
Na Basiru for Nam Somalia no.
Yes. Ana fi omo ba from Beboy. Inti Maswe say no kra no. Kasa local Blasters from local Blasters say infasuo bi enu so omo je wafu den e bai. Players no kwa to bi ti say Maswe. Why no Passerella? Ti said ye ma we Bobo free Blasters ye de ne ba na 20 okoje cap no. Obi ti say Maswe kamene na onyo omonka under 20 near the amano. Now Maswe Kwendu are very good. Shadow Wow Stars. Talents. Even under 20 grade we on no qualify team as for Algeria no. Now under 20 no picky young boys. No the abo near the amano be CCS. Not the under 20 or the philosophy. Philosophy juma. Ukoji cap ba near the Blasters nankasa asha. That is the main reason Matis see no.
Timing no.
Time in the same thing that I make can push a story natural. What you say? That I may push a story. Inti Masama Miki and say Masweno. I say you be a U20 near the man because it's not 20 only coach.
Jimmy Kobla reason.
Oh, say Ombeino.
Jimmy Asana Becana.
Ombeino. So what
the
coach so be who said I want to know your dream about the time.
Time no yeah.
Who say the Uyi Maswe the Didi I be replacing Maswe. And this time and I don't agree. And I don't me Ishmael the any my car radio so equipment officer no wholeheartedly say any day.
Any
day but then they make
that boy was suffered that.
Yes, because with him Chelsea come back room staff. Mourinho problem onya e we say Man United as a Chelsea na kitchen staff. Any man no Obalo
Iva Canero.
It is sometimes placed to be back room staff be asem. It Ishmael the end media personally the emi ya pa but Maswe the end am say who internet a inka ye Maswe say bia ye no me church me mu bia wonye experience e so koboa junior side but who Maswe e di Didi na be replacing the e ho de se see na me who internet and there I have to go back and do my checks and there to be frank with you because when me say ye say aka tupe so but say Uyi to replace with I say I have to go back and ask again. Say why this decision? So what am I saying?
Yes, you have different reasons. We are also say taste almost so ignorant today, but at the right time. No, the circumstances.
Me say bia ye Maswe for e bia say na me hwe me phone so hu say Didi baba me minim say ye Maswe say bia onko another baby nkoboa but say me hu say ye Maswe edidi I say we see we yi lawyer do adonte now sebi o de ebia o de Sami Kufuor na eba Sami Kufuor is competent but lawyer out so on the but say we yi Maswe now so Didi bad I have to go and find out why because all there I don't understand it.
Matthias coach kwani bim na anase de ma nyama baba na wo call harm Fidelity smart account no but me gusua Cairo say yankon Fidelity banks branches bebre na yankon ko bi account no wo kwa won che 5 minutes na fi yetumi bi kama de amount ho so do sika to ho a unya problem bia ye meje sa bank ne da na am say omo financial finance no and assistance no kama pa enti channel so pa Fidelity and I made one dance here at the amount of etachi. And I pay Cowbank say customer information update no Ogusua or ye pa all the branches no until ye account holder a year Cowbanker. Braham na fi be fele forms ketu e bi ombusa se ba komenu bi na fi mo update information sin na no e de ama so ye busy na untumi ma channel so say Cowbank de site we dia ba www.cowbank.net also betimi akọ no print form no we are na wa fill in kama pa document e be here bia we dia kan na fi wa submit ni nyina no hia bentwen e na fi wa ka say enya dia ne office bia e be free aka say bia for account number bra and I say for pin number bra da bibi say bia eni ho enti unya sa course bia na fi watimi ahwe ni Cowbank was forward together almost eboa amajumedi na baba Brian.
Oh, we dey baba fache me things. Nana Yamponza.
Nim
so ba watch and say wa ba.
Me di nkomo last time what tema but me hunanim no two kwan but maintaining.
Was sending me OTA. Okay. You say Gareth Bale was playing as left back before Harry Redknapp converted him. So then because one could share coach Papa was a left back.
Bill Southampton was a left back.
Typical local example.
Yes, and Waba will be converting our the most expensive
100 million.
But coaches, no mean
share coach or best sour brabo, Maza, born me catch over bono.
Other coaches, those times no more year conversions, but this time them say more trained player no Hanam Pese me bonoma Maja.
So na me tell you, senti when your coach or beboa we footballer, wa brabo bese.
Baba.
Yeah, Papa Maestro, I mean chair Elvis Herman Hesse Jr., aspiring NCC chairman for Accra House of Folk. Now, Utumuse Sisiano, from Enne, the interview on Mr. Opareado, a grantee, you know, to Mr. Elvis and Wasemo Yatomo pa. Papa Maestro, na House of Folk, no, a diabo, ana a nomie, ana se, has a yini pebimu bonia. Wọ́n kó bẹ̀bí akóyè bíbí etí House of Folk sẹ́ abrabọ́ house bẹ́ bọ́ ẹ̀dẹ́ ní kọ́ sàpápẹ́ bí ẹ̀mú no ebi ananas mẹ́sì managri nsẹ́sẹ́ because adéwé no ó dùn ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀kọ́kọ́ yẹ sẹ́ ó pẹ́lẹ̀ kábọ̀ wọ́n sẹ́ impervious to logic bàmí mi di bẹ́ twi mu ẹ̀mí nyansa bọ́ ẹ̀bìrà sẹ́ papa sẹ́ ẹ̀ka sẹ́ nyansa paa ẹ̀nam ha ẹ̀twa asẹ́m ní nam danso man ẹ̀yẹ́ dẹ́n na wàtena hɔ akɔfa anapana work who make the genesis of House of Folks inconsistency in sa MD7 no and now a Fred Kensel ade chance so akoye FA vice president or the adwuma no to ho yenkokofa House of Folk ba Neil Armstrong Motagbe as that time we proving credentials and track records House of Folk hwiegu ho sa bra na echenkui asempoti kwedi Neil Armstrong Emmanuel resign here has a whole committee say enwa na nsa na Neil Armstrong appear before the committee na committee no so say a competent committee bia on findings ko see say eno akoye duaba no ma bia be say bi ko asem de na sem ko ne kwa ne ametete kwa ne say adechia normalization ebie kwan mu a Neil Armstrong kwa no so obetwiniti for an executive committee position matete
take it ben
on ticket ne dey minya but mate from a source closer to Neil and approaching me so what you say some say behind the scene lobbying so what you say Neil ko no House of Folk say this time around they are going more corporate and for that matter we probia about the corporate world or a very successful personality and the Kwakofa Gerard Nieja Biankra if he jiba the naba now we have so red Gerard ni carry column retire Papa Maestro proving track records all body and say Gerard Ankra but then House of Folk Real Madrid any and that Gerard Ankra it was a kotoko point everybody saw House of Folk so for sustainability e kaya kopim say has about cross the relegation zone and say atekotoko point amano and those were the works of Kwesi Nyantakyi we kura anse am so has fu ani am so ekotoko ni but that time Nyantakyi led a disciplinary committee you kwaya fa so anka all favor House of Folk e ma nko division 1 and Gerard Ankra in spite of the track records in her Papa Maestro so nto bobo e de ba be pem anam ya Gerard Koye no do te be she mfimfi ho kakra no nso ne political ambition to ojae na McNuna na ba Nuna ne ba ya ene yenkote a yes House of Folk any Ambro as atimi akwa an agreement Ambro ebe kiti has na ba wuse sunsu mo chese strike kwa na kiti kotokwa de anya ni de bia hye e de bi bo Africa no ese no kura ni di ya de key sponsors e wodi ba na chese ade achi a ne be tie se McNuna oko Germany oko arrange na House of Folk any Bayern Munich aba sama na House ikika de na akasi anda Nuna no House of Folk and Bayern Munich the boy a friendly match. These were all braggadocios of McNuna na oye. So what you say? And then all of a sudden use that usual flimsy excuse expatriate workers be ready judge wa Ghana family reason ben Eti McNuna US are buying and as US High Commissioner to Ghana that family reason the man resign they should come out and tell us the reason. Yes, Nuna no Nibu a fool said the executive board chairman is not cooperating with him as far as the Umbro kit is concerned and some more parimun to me man may deny or probably confirm it. Now the number this a family reason Nuna ne yare ben yare
na yire no so de e woman pa enra ya te say ase na yire no ye no operation and so ya dia
Papa Maestro no na me pesa me ko sansem no na ne yira or undergo surgery no eno no efa no na ho ben apart from the bottom ebeko dia ya no okoye se Papa Maestro me no ti he na ekọ no opele o yire yare na de ne kokolebu na ekọ any surgery even though psychologically ebe nante wa adwim but who papa who playing the surgery and anything
say we are be told you maso
no na ko to say the say no na ko ni the new appointment I to say former Burkina Faso leader Thomas Sankara the stage could 10:30 Sankara was killed in 10:45. By 10:50 he was buried and Blaise Compaoré was the president.
Problem back up yes. Last Tuesday I know Pare Kasa. No say enkomo biya ni wo so mo expect so beba. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. O ma timi a different person ko nhyiemu edi nkomo agree bibia amenne appointment aba. Just 2-3 days.
say as communication director or as PRO you can be remoted by your bosses. And to me blame more pare, but I will blame the House of Folk hierarchy. And they want to tell us say, and on Tuesday, they never had the idea say Macmuna Neko.
Maybe sure say no money.
And on Tuesday, Macmuna still remain on his $11,000 a month job. And then see on Friday morning a new appointment. Let me about all of a sudden. I also know you with experience in football. And they say, or a House of Folk fan. And I CEO of Ghana Institute of Chartered Accountant Ghana. And I said yes. And all of a sudden in the space of 72 hours, no has a disappointment. So Omra no made the CEO of the club. What at all does he know about football and running of football? Nani Esaya me yanese. Nunan atable a 5-year development plan.
Yeah.
Our initiative. In that development plan, well, who say appointing a coach or probably a technical director, no, the man, so for that matter, the appointment I did Kim Grant, he should come in the form as director of football for the club. Ghanaian club or football director except Accra Asufu. And they see what the Frederick Moba. More no team na adwe remote na mana be conform to Newlands development plan and now also the need eba na say need na ode eba no also who say the tactical philosophy of Kim Grant and me nya adwuma M1 no the plan and for that matter also confirm new coach aba na aye den and now the Frederick Moba na to bat na Flagstaff House remote na. So this is Nema maybe say House of Folk no your body do say mama nkode ni mo na
baba your interview to hear snappy wo be a different enough member coaching
Papa Maestro on
baba na so has
Papa Maestro on Maso Ekunadua
just 1 minute oh
yes son no nze eminent
after no media no has on media or avoid the Maso so the free granza to avoid this till no
aka 1 minute na dem nye 1 minute
Maswela yes ya assign no this is the problem I have with normalization. So if ni coach opele kaya and the communicate na ghanafa.org no should have been say there be a assign no on his duty from a Blasters to any of the juvenile teams. But as it stands now, across all the tabloids, Maso Ekunadu is sacked from the Blasters.
Information I'm not Gada was secretary say Kwesi Appiah the catcher normalization team say without them no be AFCON enti o matena ho ache enti
Maso we uti we
I have those
Papa Maso me say me say
Makobusa was like one kasa
Ukobusa hwan
me so me kobusa mu
enti
your normalization fee na me free
no but you for am kan ko obele who dey bet my different from my source me 1 PM on meet the two coaches no e ho no medical here one meeting be as to the reason why Omosaki
Papa Maestro meba on Ismail and Maswell ye for me the BSC Ukruma say Kwesi Appiah but to add it make actual pay say Kwesi Appiah so me krom ni ono so february for BSC Ukruma say Kwesi Appiah and Maswell about part 1 they qualified us for World Cup ye ko bae ye bedu ye no ye yam falls niema nkoyie yebobo qualify against Togo 3-2 niema nkoyie no yam fire the technical team Kwesi Appiah was the sacrificial lamb. Enti kwan bi so say if Kwesi Appiah benya the authority to control the technical team because at the end of the day bibi Kwesi yen kasa ya pamo maso ekredo or assistant number 2 yen kasa ya pamo tanko or assistant 1 yen kasa ya pamo Stephen Appiah or technical coordinator, but maybe you sacrifice Kwesi Appiah ne ya mano yedi tumi ahye ne say on fire ko the promised land. And I bet you, say Kwesi ko Egypt way na ankolia with or without Maswekolodu, Ghanaians wouldn't be kind at him. Ghanaians wouldn't be charitable towards Kwesi Appiah. So for that matter, maybe I menene ya agree say, not dream whoever I feel, even though say did Dramania, or also the Maswekolodu they are not friends to the media.
Did we Maswekolodu did Yabadi?
That the cone type. We do Maxwell expecting Yashisha coons, yen lead the drills, yes, formation, but did you so friendly? Oh, yeah, friendly with almost quiet the physical instructor for the club. So what I say, so Papa Media, let's give Kwesi Appiah the benefit of the doubt because Kwesi Appiah is building a team and all building. No, baby, not so. Me say, Oba, you also are building team. Probably be at the last qualifier. No, I building the team, and he must also have trusted men on his technical bench. Who say, who a coach? No say, Obi or bench. So now who as a coach own trusting? Papa, who say it's a recipe for disaster? I say, Baba, messages and me, Jimmy, Semin to me, Ibrahim Mustafa, Michael KW, Agnes Obo. Nipa ba kuti me sending messages by 2030. Minim say na eyede yo what's rub akwa no amya kenkan na yetimi move on sa na kwodo eyi also dey about Islam Gaddafi odi enso aba nanadua odi aba millions of messages yebedam ase say mo dey buy respect all your decisions but Argentina obi ade enyepe wo wadwene na ye ne yetia so wo ya adwene nti so obi kire na adwene a na ne nya adwene fa wo adwene bra Emma attack nipa ne edie esa na obetro 20 times obi ye no obekan edie ama because wo wadwene no any baby a wonam na different from baby obi nso nam enti obi eche na adwene na so ache wadwene ne akenkan ne kama etendie ebia nim coach we 1 minute each am say your interview be matters are rising after yem fan preparatory cry GD power and eboa male vitality and now we Bema Friday now ni said we be pa hye ho a nya de frequency obebada because nso ba mfa so bi ani so obejim etunya GD power ni bia na friend na hu se ukuta license dia we say ne obejina so achepa sans Oze
I mean oba ohunhwe
am be say ne woni bi wo
yes
mi yakwaje me park dia to an ehun hia pa nti sewa nti me ha ana fe GD call ne nyina Gilly Good for ene dia ba 0268 988000 omo etayechi boy den aye di jumedi ba me ba cho maye card still bi watan okuta 2 cedi and 5 cedi abenya o scratch na nya 10000 na o de breme 2000 Ghana cedi fashion mo me de wasipa but uni adwuma na person no eye adwuma 0302909644 na fi omo so etimi abo na fi finally don Vodafone talk to browse as o credit no we dey fedi nkomo yeso e be che o data na oni guest na timi awe nkomo ba enti ene social media kono ene eboan say ye WhatsApp say ye Facebook o download ye videos no ye Vodafone ena ade ye na ema ye data na timi run kama pa enti ene unkuta bia join Vodafone ebusheko no o nyina ebetimi abo special ones 30 seconds matters arising
come nkwana okay yo 1 minute maso mu wana migina men kanche Ishmael den yesema kache mu sa ashim
yeah
because me kawa
maso den show
maso den show me because you coach coaching uko European courses I say coaching is a precarious job eju bia him say intino me ya pamo me a me so me jai ejuma
and they say they are high to be
coaching 11 teams e bi wo wa ki okay ki face happen ya pamo me okay so we dey ana 70 dey me time no so no mo mama bia extend ana be bi so am nko na me jai sa enti me jai ejuma sa
but I know they say ya
so used to it so used to it cause that point we jai
the more course on the extreme.
It's a precarious job. It's Maswell. Often Maswell could often the cool.
Okay.
Me almost find 20.
But first the
but to replace Didi, would replace Maswell with Didi.
And the question so. Me da say I got 30 seconds for me confirm Yankee.
Yo media normalization committee so da be no moko so omo me na aso sa so we na no mo replacement omo ye changes
omo nyoma gen so moko
na no omo ye changes no mo mbo Ghana for amane ejuma mo ye mo hwan omo nko ana
ye ma FIFA
asa ko for ye se wa start ejuma omo bo Ghana for amane e nti no mo gina so omo di adontin omo bo Ghana for amane on for go be amobia o de meja mu sesia e tire na aka ho asa
we free am that sesia
Ghana for some okay sempe from where walk no bass so fierce no ascend wo bia mu o afi ye betting Ghana favorite movie stars musicians and presenters na walk I sempe from where walk with the stars watch out o match end the year coming soon.
So we the party all day. I hand my bayano and show you. Oh, minerabe.
Nippon Pim na for Simba bet is what the babro 250,000 Ghana cedis a gomboto. Unsu bet to me a dinia brosa. Bet to a good year when it's a woman a disika or Simba bet what it. Odds and so online slot games, live games, any weekly jackpot and so what bet me first to get this bebre. Who bet to me sweat the instant cash was spin to win any virtual sports.